Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. We have a very serious video today of a case that just came up in our Facebook group. We have an Uber and Lyft drivers Facebook group for the channel with over 18,000 members. Link in the description if you do want to join. But somebody shared this story today. He got robbed, and so we're gonna go over it and what to do in this situation. So this Uber driver did end up getting robbed during his shift, and we're gonna discuss the situation, and I pray and hope to God that this never happens to any of you guys watching this. But look, driving for Uber and Lyft can be a a dangerous job, and there are certain risks that come with it. So it could be better to be more prepared, if you know what I mean. I'm not going to put anything out there, but do what you got to do to get prepared. Okay, so here we have it, my friends. John A. Musumaki said this. He said, "First off, thank you everyone for your concern. I'm okay, just a little shaken up, but I'll be okay." He shared this today, June 13th, 2022 at 7 a.m. For those of you who don't know what happened, I was robbed this morning at the gas station. Today. I gathered myself together. My hands were still shaking. I was dizzy, and honestly, I think I was in shock. My money was gone. I called the police. They were fantastic and called for medical assistance. Blood pressure was through the roof. The police asked me if I could describe the assailant, and I told them, yes, it was pump number 1. Oh my gosh, guys, he clickbaited me. I literally was shaken up. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. I literally saw the title if he was robbed, and I had to make a video about this. And I know, okay, first of all, John, you got me. Good job, you pranked me. Secondly, there are people who have been robbed for real. And I do want to take this time, even though that was a joke, I didn't mean it to be a joke. I do want to take this time to address the reality that certain Uber drivers do get robbed. There are plenty of cases, there was actually a story recently that just came out where drivers are actually being targeted in crimes. There was a story that just came out. Minneapolis men have targeted Uber and Lyft drivers in a carjacking spree. A pair of men in Minneapolis faced 20 criminal charges, including conspiracy in connection to a string of armed carjackings involving rideshare drivers. So these two guys have been arrested, but yeah, I mean, it's better to be safe than sorry, whatever that means for you. If you want to, just saying, like, I don't know what Uber terms and services are, but I'll just say for me, I'd probably have some sort of self-defense in there. So there it is, my friends. Oh, and have a dash cam too to record video evidence, because that could help you in with insurance or whatever. So, all right, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. And wow, John, you got me on this one. And yeah. Please stay safe out there in all seriousness. Bye now.